Okay, great morning, great day. As I said na ako ay mag-send sa inyo ng video lectures. And this time no, ang topic natin is about self-awareness and personal development. But before that no, I just want to share no, ika nga yung take home ko or lessons no I've learned no sa ating lecture last time no, na I said also through video no, yung self-awareness. And I want to read no yung introduction do sa lesson na yon na self-identity. One of the fundamental tasks of human development is answering the question, who am I and who do I want to become? At yes, napakahalaga itong tanong na ito no, na who am I, na I believe no, kapag tama ang sagot natin sa tanong na ito, it will lead us no, to the answer, the right answer sa tanong na who do I want to become, o anong dapat kong gawin, o anong ako maging, o ano dapat akong maging. And I believe the answer no doon sa tanong na who am I, again very important question, ay ang sagot ay sa manlilikha no, sa Diyos na may likha sa atin. Siya nag-engineer, siya nag-architect, siya lumikha sa atin, and so nilikha niya tayo ng may layunin, and so the answer is in Him no. Let me read two passages sa Bible no, before I go to sa ating next topic. Ephesians chapter 2 verse 10, kung ano tayo ngayon ay gawa ng Diyos, at sa pakikipag-isa natin kay Kristo Jesus ay nilikha niya tayo para sa mabubuting gawa na inihanda niya nung una pa man upang gawin natin. Sa Colossus chapter 1:16, sapagkat sa pamamagitan niya ay nilikha ang lahat ng nasa langit at nasa lupa, nakikita man o hindi, pati ang mga espiritual na kapangyarihan, paghahari, pamamahala at pamumuno. Ang lahat ng nilikha ng Diyos sa pamamagitan niya ay para sa Kanya. Now, let me go sa ating topic today, no, self-awareness and personal development. Let us define self-awareness. Ito ang sabi, self-awareness is the ability to examine one's thoughts, emotions, motivation, strength, weaknesses, and behaviors objectively. It is considered foundational component of emotional intelligence and personal growth. Self-awareness allows individuals to understand how their actions affect others and how their decisions influence future outcomes. So self-awareness no, pagkikilala sa sarili o kamalayan sa sarili ay tumutukoy na sa kakayahan natin na suriin ang ating iniisip, ang ating damdamin, ano ang nagmo-motivate sa atin, o sa salita ng mga Gen Z, if I'm not mistaken no, ay ano ang hugot, ano ang nagda-drive sa ating gawin iyon, anong mga kahinahan natin, anong mga kalakasan natin no, na inaalam natin no, sa mabuting layunin. So to be self-aware ay may pagsasaliksik no, sa sarili, merong pag-i-evaluate. May nagsabi po ng ganito, without proper self-evaluation, failure is inevitable. So pag hindi tama po yung ating pagsusaliksik ng ating sarili, no, pagkakakilala sa ating sarili, through self-awareness, no, through self-evaluation, madalas-dalas no, talagang magkakamali tayo. Yes, may mga pagkakataong nagkakamali tayo, pero pag wala tayong self-evaluation, self-awareness, self-examination, sabihin na natin panay-panay tayong magkakamali. Maging ang Holy Bible no, nagtuturo ng ganito no, ng pagsasaliksik sa sarili. Siyasatin natin, suriin ang ating pamumuhay. Yan ang sabi ng Lamentation chapter 3. Sa Galatians naman din sabi, suriin ng bawat isa ang kanyang gawa. So here's the question, when was the last time na nagkaroon ka ng honest evaluation of yourself, no? Self-examination. Now let me go sa pangalawang punto, subtopic no, ng ating topic na self-awareness, developing self-awareness. Paano ba gawin ito no, na magkaroon tayo po ng kasanayan, o magkaroon tayo po no, ng hakbang no, or ma-develop sa atin yung self-awareness. Students can cultivate self-awareness through reflection and introspection or self-examination. So magkaroon po ng self-examination o self-evaluations. Then personal journaling no, dati no, yung uso yung diary, I don't know, maybe some of you are still doing it, or even yung slam book, kung I'm not sure kung naabutan nyo yan, yung slam book, no? Doon, tanong yung names mo, favorite pet mo, color and everything. Somehow leads you, open you for self-examination, no? Or self-awareness. Constructive feedbacks, no? May mga it's really good, no, for self in awareness, self development, no. Maganda rin talaga, no, na meron tayong people around us, no, that accountable, no, to check us, no, to correct us, or to give us constructive criticism, no. Meron kaming mga kabataan sa church, no, na nagsimula sila maliliit pa sa church, naglakihan, many of them ay mga young professional na nagkakaroon pa rin sila ng meeting, no, at once a year, every December, no, Christmas season, nagkakaroon sila ng sharing sa isa't isa, no, rebuking sa isa't isa, no, nagsasabi sila ng mga negatives ng isa't isa for the purpose of constructive criticism, no. So napakagandang maging annual, no, na gawain, halimbawa ng inyong mga magkakaibigan ng grupo, no. Again, hindi for the purpose, no, na batuhin ng putik ang isa't isa, no, kundi alisin ang mga putik sa isa't isa, no, by criticizing one another for the purpose, no, ng constructive criticism. At ang tunay na nagmamahal sa kaibigan, no, ay nagsasabi ng totoo, no. Goal evaluation, so for self-development, self-awareness development, so nandiyan yung personal reflection and introspection, personal journaling, constructive feedback, goal evaluation, no? Sabi nga, ang babaeng walang goal ay magkakasanggol, no? So we have to examine, do we have a goal, no, sa buhay? What is our goal? Where are we in our goal, no? Don't get me wrong, no, meron naman talagang meron nagkakasanggol na may goal, no, na nahulog lang sa tukso, no. Kaya let me remind you, no, talagang tukso ay nilalayuan, iniiwasan. Ang tukso ay hindi kasalanan, no. Sa Bible, kapag nagawa na yung tukso, yun na yung kasalanan, at ang kasalanan ay dapat pinagsisisihan, no, at nagbabalik loob sa Panginoon. At meron naman din talagang ginol na, no, na magkaroon ng sanggol. So goal evaluation, no, let us examine, no, check, no, how is our goal, o asa na tayo doon sa goal natin, no. How far are we in our goal, no, are we progressing papunta sa goal natin. And then another for self-awareness development is mindfulness practices, no, and then participation in community activities, of course, no, activities, no, that could help you to grow, that could help you, no, to know yourself, no, and to assess yourself. Now, benefits of self-awareness, no, medyo papaspas ako ng konti. I'm planning na hanggang 20 minutes lang ito, pero 7 minutes na ako. Benefits of self-awareness, research suggests that self-aware individuals are more likely to, no, ano ang mabuting dinudulot, no, na meron tayong self-awareness, demonstrate emotional maturity. So dahil kilala natin ang ating sarili, no, so it displays, no, emotional maturity, exercise sound judgment, no. Dahil kilala natin ang ating sarili, no, we can give right sound, no, judgment, develop healthy relationship, manage stress effectively, adapt to changing circumstances. So self-awareness also encourages individual to take responsibility for their actions and continue strive for self-improvement. So let's say, no, you failed to sa isang bagay na ito, and you are aware, no, na talagang you lack, no, kulang ka sa ganung bagay, and so you failed. So meron kang pagtanggap, no, and then meron kang positive na response to that, no, that could lead you, no, to self-development. Future orientation and goal setting. This is about understanding future orientation. Future orientation refers to an individual's capacity to think about, anticipate, and prepare for future events and outcomes. It involves planning, goal setting, and evaluating the long-term consequences of present action. So this has to do with what? Now, your future plan or dreams, na you look at yourself, no, to assess yourself and prepare yourself para sa future goal mo. So yes, yung meron kang pagkilala, tamang pagkilala sa iyong sarili, self-identity, no, self-awareness, no, you evaluate yourself, no, that knowledge of yourself, no, ay could help you to set goals, no, prepare yourself, no, para sa goal na iyon. Future-oriented individuals recognize that success is often the result of deliberate effort, persistence, and responsible decision making. Yeah, no, ang pangarap ay sa buhay hindi ito tinutulugan lamang, no. Sinasadya ito, intentional, ika nga. But yes, no, natutulog rin dapat ng tama, no. Baka kasi mamaya niyan, no, talagang buwis buhay nating inaabot yung goal natin, no, talagang kayod marino, no, in pursuing our dreams, no, pero nakokompromiso naman yung healthy natin. And so pag abot natin ng pangarap natin, wala na tayong healthy body to enjoy, no, the fruit of our labor, o to enjoy, no, yung pag-abot natin ng ating goal, di ba? Kaya could imagine po yung mga umaakyat sa Mount Everest, di ba? Naakyat nila yung Mount Everest, no, pero wala silang strength pagdating doon sa taas. Actually sinasabi marami pong namamatay doon, no, pagkaakyat sa Mount Everest, buwis buhay din talaga. So what I'm trying to say is, no, tulog-tulog din, no, ingatan ng kalusugan, huwag ikompromiso ang kalusugan in reaching your goal. So kumain ng healthy, matulog ng tama, no, paano mo marireach yung goal mo kung hindi healthy ang kinakain mo, wala kang tamang tulog. So as I used to say this sa mga anak ko, kainin nyo yan, no? Not because gusto ng panlasa ninyo, kundi kainin nyo kasi yan ang healthy para sa inyo, yan ay mabuti sa inyo. So please, no, matulog, kumain ng tama, kumain ng healthy, hindi po kung kumain kung anong gusto natin kainin lamang, no. Matulog, ulitin ko lang, no, matulog, no, ng tama, no, hindi lang matulog kundi matulog ng tama. Okay, characteristics of future-oriented individuals. Future-oriented individuals tend to set clear goal, no. Siyempre, no, kapag meron ka talagang malinaw na goal, no, so meron kang tamang focus, no, so meron kang target, no, so set clear goals, no, demonstrate self-discipline. No, hindi kung feeling lang natin ay magputuloy tayo, gagawin natin, no, in pursuing our goal, kundi commitment dapat yan, no, commitment. Delay immediate gratification. So ang naisip ko diyan, no, may mga kabataan nangangarap yumaman, no, pero hindi pa man mayaman, nagyayaman-yamanan na. So hindi, no, you have to delay that, no. I think about of Alex Ayala. Well, yes, pamilya siya mula siya sa pamilyang mayaman, pero si Alex Ayala, I don't think so, no, na kung siya ay pinalaki, no, na kumakain sa fast food lang, no, Starbucks lang, ML lang, no, hindi siya magiging kahusay, no, ngayon na kasing husay na meron siya, no, at galing na meron siya, disiplina na meron siya. So delay, no, delay gratification. Take responsibility for your choices and remain committed despite challenges, no. Parang relasyon yan, no? Kapag ikaw ay nakipagrelasyon, commitment yan, no. Hindi perfect ang relationship, maraming extra challenges na kakarapin, no, pero if you are committed to that, no, tuloy-tuloy, no, ang iyong pakikimagmabuti sa iyong karelasyon. So let me go sa goal setting and human development. I hope hindi ako medyo fast, pero you can replay this, no, para maintindihan niyo or you get something, no, of it, no. Well, yes, ang pag-aaral, no, dapat intentional din yung pagkatuto, pagnanais na matuto. Goal setting in human development. Goals serve as guiding mechanism that direct behavior and motivate actions. Effective goals provide structures, focus, and purpose. Okay, so kasi pag wala kang goal, no, hindi mo ma-evaluate, hindi mo ma-assess, hindi mo mabibigyan ng malalapatan ng tamang gawa o tamang paghahanda, o sabihin na natin kalat ang lakas mo, kalat ang oras mo kapag wala kang tamang goal, or you definitely, no, you will not be in focus. So merong ditong acronym na word na SMART, no, as framework, no, sa setting of goals, no. So letter S, specific, no. So dapat specify your goal, no. Kung gumagawa kayo ng thesis, di ba? So ina-assess mo sa yung title ng goal ng thesis ninyo, no. At definitely, no, ang dapat very specific, no, hindi very wide, very general. And then measurable, no, nasusukat, no? Achievable, no? Yung hindi naman yung hindi naman yung tagos sa buwan, no? Yung goal, no? Talagang merong possibility or workable, ika nga, achievable, and then relevant, and then time bound, no? So you set the time, no? The length of achieving this goal. By establishing realistic goals, individuals increase the likelihood of achieving personal, academic, and professional success. Dito na muna ako magtatapos, no? On the next topic, no, is about future orientation and social responsibility, no, na basically it has to do as NCST students are called nation builders, no. Have you ever thought, no, why I am called nation builders? Nag-aral lang ako sa NCST, I'm called nation builders. Well, no, I will discuss that sa next meeting natin, no, God permits. Pero here I will end, no. Gaano mo kakilala ang iyong sarili, no? Anong mga ginagawa mo, no, sa ninanais mo? I mean, ang mga ginagawa mo ba, no, o ninanais mo ay naaayon sa iyong kakayahan, sa iyong personality, sa iyong character? Do you have self-examinations, no? And so improving your self-awareness, so knowing yourself, improving, I mean, you have that evaluation, examination of yourself for the purpose of self-improvement. No, hindi for the purpose of wala akong kwentang tao, I realize na this is my weakness, this is ako, so I'm no good. No, for the purpose of, yes, definitely we will see, no, we will discover no good in us, no, pero yan ay nandyan, no, to humble us, no, no, at yes, no, makita din natin at the same time, no, hindi lang yung ating mga kakulangan, kundi makita rin natin yung ating strength, at yung strength na yun ang ating pagyamanin at gamitin in reaching our goals, in developing ourselves. And yes, no, do you have goal? And are you in your goal or towards your goal? Yung mga ginagawa mo ba ngayon, no, ay may kinalaman sa goal mo, no? Where are you now? Do you see yourself how far you are doon sa goal mo, no? Your first year, no? So how far you are there, no? So how far you are from your goal. So are you in your goal? Are you in the right track no? Kumbaga pag sumali ka sa isang track and field, no, tapos you are running in the wrong field, no, so you will not be awarded, or even matapos mo yung track na yon, hindi ka naman doon sa nasa right track. So those questions, no, ay magandang pag-isipan at bigyan natin ng sagot, so to have self-awareness, no, self-evaluation, at makita natin ating sarili, no, what is our goal and how far we are in our goal. Ingat kayo. God bless you all.